how to find Buffalo Wild Wings customer support information. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact the customer support in Buffalo Wild Wings website. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to the official website. Now you'll need to scroll down to the bottom and then under learn more you can see FAQ and contact us. Just tap on it. And then here you can see various FAQ categories like you can see account option. So if you have any problem with account, you can search for the FAQ here, or you can see that you can go to the support of Buffalo Wild Wings and then you can mail them, or you can even reach their phone at this number. Similarly, you can see reward shop, and then you can see where to view the terms and conditions, where you can mail if you're having problem, where you can contact. You can see the phone number details right here. And similarly, there are options for rewards, promo codes, and more. And then you can see contact us option. And here is the whole information. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.